Alright, these are going to be the elevators here at the TownePlace Suites by Marriott, outside of York, Pennsylvania. And we have some more ThyssenKrupp elevators to ride. But not just any ThyssenKrupp elevators. Look at that floor indicator. We're going to start riding the right car first. Up to 4. Take it back down to 1. Here a cab view. Pretty basic elevators for a TownePlace property. Not to really too excited about these, other than being a third-party ThyssenKrupp install. There's your floor indicator. These are your older traditional buttons by ThyssenKrupp. This is elevator number 2 with a capacity of 2,500 pounds. Phone. And here we're back at 1. Send this car up to 4, trying to get the other one. There goes that elevator. Now we'll try and get the left car. And as you can tell, these elevators have submersible pumps. Right there is machine room. Looks like this elevator is coming down. And here's the left car. This one's a lot darker than the other one. Plus this one has a rear door in the back. Alright, let's go to 4. Back down to 1 and 1R. It's just like the other one, except this one has a rear door in the back. This one appears to be a lot darker than the other one as well, because the lights are dim. It's your floor indicator. These are your older ThyssenKrupp traditional buttons. Elevator number 1, capacity of 2,500 pounds. Phone. You're back at 1. Let's watch both doors open. There's the back, and there's the front. I'm wondering about that floor indicator. One of these are ThyssenKrupp installed by Northern Elevator. But I'm not 100% sure though. Anyway, there goes the back door, and there goes the front door of this elevator. And I guess that will be it for these.